You ever feel like you're stuck in a slump and you just can't get out of it? You don't want to get out of bed in the morning because you feel like there's nothing to look forward to. I'll be honest, bro, that's exactly how I felt for the past month, and it's completely thrown my life out of whack. But you know what? I've had enough, bro. I'm gonna show you how I'm getting out of my slump, how you can get out of your slump, and how it can both start building some serious positive momentum. Sound good? Let's do it. Number one is to visualize your best moments. There's gonna be times where it feels like everything is going good for you, and then when you least expect it, life is gonna give you an uppercut. As you're standing there wobbly and dizzy, it's gonna hit you again and again and again until you feel like you can't take anymore. The key is to never fall into self-pity and never look at yourself as a victim, because this is the exact moment where you need to pick yourself up, brush the dirt off your shoulder, and get back up in that fight. So when you're there at your lowest, here's something you can do right now to pick yourself up. Sit down, break out a pen and paper, and write out some of your best moments. Maybe it's the time that you hit the game-winning shot in a basketball game, the time you crush it on stage, or hey, even the time you picked up that sexy girl. Allow yourself to feel the same emotions that you felt in those moments. You know, the sense of pride, the excitement, the sense of victory, and just sort of the awesomeness of it. Then realize that you are the one who created those moments and that you can be successful again. The slump is only temporary, bro, and you have what it takes to smash through it. Number two is to assess your environment. A lot of times we underestimate the effect that our environment has on us. Now, as you probably know, I was in Japan for the past month. It's a great country, super cool place, but I just didn't vibe with it really well, and I noticed that my baseline level of happiness when I was there was much lower, and it slowly dipped me further and further into a slump. I mean, come on, bro, I haven't put out a video in 3 friggin' weeks. That's ridiculous. Now, your environment might be sapping your energy and your happiness too, so here's what you should do. Grab that paper and pen one more time and write down 7 to 10 of the most important elements that you need in a city. Maybe it's easy gym access. Maybe it's a crew of good friends. Maybe it's just having the beach right there. Then ask yourself, is the city that you're in, is the environment you're in, does it have those things? And if it doesn't, then it might be sapping your energy too, and it might be time to make a big move and get the hell out of there. For example, I'm in Sydney, Australia right now, and it's a huge relief because it has a lot more of the elements that I look for in a city, and so my happiness is naturally a lot higher. Number 3 is to hang around great people. Now, the thing that's kept me sane over the past month while I was living in Japan was that I was there with great friends. Great friends are gonna pick you up even in the rough times. So what you want to do is look for great friends who support you and have your back, and make sure to do the same for them. Now, if you're struggling to meet great friends and just cool people in general, then map out some of your biggest passions and start doing activities that align with those passions, because that's going to help you meet more people you get along with and make some more great friends. Damn, that shit is loud. These cockatoos are crazy over here, bro. But yeah, if you're passionate about learning languages, then go to a language exchange and talk to people. And by the way, man, if you want to make it easy to meet new people, then make sure to check out my free conversation video course. In it, you're gonna learn how to start a conversation with anyone, especially a good-looking girl. Just click the I in the top right corner or the link in the description to get instant access to that right now. Number 4 is to adapt better habits. Getting out of a slump and building momentum starts with the little things you do on a daily basis. And so the way that I've gotten out of my slumps in the past and the way that I'm trying to do it right now is to refine my daily habits. I'm talking about daily habits like meditating, exercising, visualizing success, and even reading great books that can shift your perspective. These things can help clear your mind of all the bullshit going on up there and give you a feeling of constant improvement, especially meditation. It helps you to catch those negative thoughts, like when you try to compare yourself to others before they happen, so that you don't fall further and further into a slump. But yeah, for me, every time I start getting back into these habits, I realize that part of the reason I fell into a slump is because I stopped doing these habits, so it starts to cycle back up again and it gets me going. Number 5 is to take action. One of my friends used to always tell me, when you're scared, take action. Sitting on your couch and feeling sad won't change anything, bro. Even the smallest of actions can help you move in the right direction. So maybe it's applying for 3 jobs a day. Maybe it's approaching a couple of girls, or hell, even creating a YouTube video like this one. Doing that small thing is gonna make you feel a hell of a lot better, and it's gonna pave the way for more future success. For example, for me, I know it just starts with me making one YouTube video. While I've been in sort of my slump for the last few weeks, making a video seemed like it was impossible. So just making this video that you're literally watching right now is breaking me out of my slump, and that's what it's all about. I'm gonna give you guys a bonus one too, and that is number 6, and that is social challenges. When you're in a slump, you kind of just feel like shit. You don't want to do anything. Everything feels like it sucks. Now, what's a quick way to build some instant positive feelings? Well, it's doing a social challenge. Maybe it's doing push-ups in a crowded area. Maybe just approaching a girl that you think is cute.
Yeah, weak, man. Get into it. That's better.
But doing these kind of challenges that sort of give you a rush of adrenaline and positive feelings and confidence can be great for helping you power forward. By the way, man, if you want to become more of a social guy, then make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the notification bell, because I'm back and I'm putting out new videos every Tuesday and Friday to help you talk to girls and crush it at life. All right, man, slumps definitely suck, but if you follow these steps, you'll be able to break out of your slump and start building some positive momentum. And trust me, bro, I'm right there with you, getting out of my rut too. And you can tell because I had this fucking cactus in the last shot. I didn't even realize it was in there till the end, which is awesome. But honestly, man, this rut almost made me quit YouTube forever. But I decided I'm not gonna let that happen, and I'm gonna keep plugging along and creating awesome videos for you guys and keep trying to get better, because that's what life's all about. Anyway, I'm gonna get this camera out of this freaking cactus. Hey, you gotta do some crazy shit to use as a tripod sometimes. But Sydney is awesome so far. Check it out behind me on my rooftop. I got a lot more exploring to do, so I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and make sure to hit that like button as well. That helps a lot, bro. I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.
So I'ma try and pick my chin up, head up, shoulders straight, I might even fist bump. And even though